Guys, so I'm still preparing my hair. I'm supposed to have watched this, but I wanted to quickly show you how I make my avocado deep conditioner before I go into the bathroom to apply it. To shampoo. So the first thing I'm going to need is avocado. This is like a DIY deep conditioner. So I love this avocado, like it is really awesome. So I wanted to share with you how I make it, and it's very affordable. This is like 100 naira. This is like 15 naira. The big one is 100 naira. So I just bought two. So I'm going to be using two for my hair. So you want to make sure that you get something that is very ripe, like very soft, because we are going to be like blending it in. Sure you get here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to like mix it. So I'm going to be using avocado. I'm going to be using honey. Yes, I told you, very cheap and affordable. And of course, my oil. I'm not going to leave that out. Then the next thing I'm going to be using is egg. I'm going to be using one egg. Depending on the length of your hair, you might not use up to one. You might just use half or something, or just the egg white, kind of. So I'm going to adjust my camera. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up your avocado, just like this. Yeah, perfect. Open it up. Then this seed, you want it out. Then you use a spoon. So this is it. So this is a spoon to scoop out. I'm going to do it one after the other. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my egg. I'm going to use my blender, my immersion blender, to blend this. If you don't have you can use a regular blender. Yes, just use a regular blender to blend. So I want to blend it smooth. You have to blend it smooth because you don't want like clumps in your hair. Yeah, so you want it smooth. So I'm going to do that and then come back and show you what it looks like. I am done blending, and this is what it looks like. I've washed the pre-part of my hair, and I shampooed it. I used my black soap shampoo. I made the black soap shampoo. Sorry about that. So this is what I'm going to use for my deep conditioner. I already showed you how I made this. So yeah. So just like I always do, I pre-put in sections, washed my hair in sections, and I'm also going to deep condition in section. Let's get started with this deep conditioner. So I'm going to scoop it like this. It's a bit runny, so start from my ends as usual. I always say baby your ends. Like this is the point I detangle my hair. Like detangles my hair and then takes the curls to like a whole different level. Like okay, a quick tip. If you are going to try this, please make sure you're wearing some very old clothes that you can easily get rid of, because this can be quite messy. And quite messy, yeah. It's quite messy. So get rid of use old clothes, and you should probably do this in the bathroom. Like my floor is all messed up now. I'm going to have to clean out. I usually do this in the bathroom. So right now I'm done. You want to make sure you put in on your edges. and everywhere. So right now we are all done, and what I'm going to do now is just cover it up again with my plastic bag. So I'm going to cover. So I'm just going to cover up and then leave it for another 1 hour. Let it steam, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And the last thing will be to just moisturize. Hi guys, so welcome back. It's getting pretty late. I just watched it now, and I just wanted to show you how I moisturize it, and then prep it for the next 2-3 weeks. So I'm not using anything fancy. I'm just using my Ayurvedic shea butter. I made this butter myself, and it's been very good. I mean, I used all of my herbs, my oils. As usual, I'm just going to be doing it in sections. Like for the normal day, I will dampen my hair first, but because I just washed out in conditioner, my hair is still pretty much damp, so I don't need to use water again. So I'm just going to use this. So this is very perfect. You can just use this butter in your hair. But I'm likely just going to do it 2 strands.